Hi guys, it's your girl Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So this is just going to be like a nightly vlog, just something to post because you guys have literally been fiending for me. So I'm at the gas station now, trying to get some papa. Hi. Hey guys. You look at my hair. Disgusting. So we're at Plantation. I probably got to speed this whole thing up because of the music. So y'all let's be on YouTube. Y'all know. Y'all know. So yeah. Stay out of the vlog, Monica. Oh god, okay. Hi vlog. Just to get ready for y'all. And then we have Ash. Oh my god, so pretty. Wow. Gorgeous. And Lolo. So cute. So yeah. We having a very overdue girls' night tonight, guys. So hopefully, I mean I could try to vlog for the rest of the night because I just vlogged in tonight, so I could try to keep y'all updated, but let me come off y'all because of this music. Let me get you walking off of your free food because of the bad service.
Bad service, cousin.
Ow! With your free food, your free drink.
I lose though. I was hungry, but I didn't lose.
We were upset, but it's okay now because Monica got her food for free, so it's fine. Hey guys, so I couldn't vlog too much.
Is he up?
Hey guys, so like I was saying earlier, before I was rudely interrupted. I couldn't vlog too much inside Plantation because the music and I don't want to be copyrighted. But let me tell fucking y'all. Let me tell y'all. That was terrible service. Oh my bullshit. Like honestly, that wasn't my first time going there. I've been to Plantation, I want to say maybe like 6 times or so. But this particular time, we was there from like after 7. Picture this. Let me tell you, girl. We was there from after 7. Right?
Early 7. We was
Very, like 7:04, 7:05. We was walking in the bitch. We done take pictures and everything. Okay. So technically, we was there from like 6:45. Anyway, we took our photos or whatever. Gone inside. Was seated. One of the waitresses came to us and she's like, "Hey, you know, this is." I was asking for the Wi-Fi password. She gave us the password. I gave us the menus and stuff and was like, I'll give y'all a minute to decide. I'd come back, you know, per usual. Yeah, I never come back. After at first it was just talking and vibing, taking snaps, you know, catching the sunlight. And then like somebody was like, hold on, wait, ain't nobody order yet? Like, no, they ain't coming to take our order yet. It was like 45 minutes or so. And we said, hold on, pause. Nobody ordered. So like we was there for another like 15 minutes, which is that's now an hour. This other guy came because somebody had to go run, look for someone and was like, hey, we've been here for like an hour, we ain't ordered yet. We'd like to put our orders in or whatever. So when one of my friends gone and looked for him, he come back, okay, sorry about that, I could be your served for the rest of the night, yada yada ray. You would think like everything would be smooth sailing after that. We still was waiting forever. They didn't have nothing nobody wanted. Originally, I was the only person that wanted wings. Like I've been saying, I wanted wings. So I get wings and fries. I think Monica ordered, what, shrimp fettuccine. Would you order, Ash?
I ordered the same thing.
Okay, so we had 2 shrimp fettuccines coming to our table. My wings and fries. And London, you ordered the spinach dip at first, eh? The spinach dip.
They ain't had no nutty.
He gone disappear for 30 minutes, y'all. 30 minutes. Come back. Or we don't have no shrimp. Okay, so y'all, what else y'all have?
Ordered beef tacos and something. He said they ain't had no tacos, they ain't had no this.
Oh yeah. She wanted beef tacos, and I think somebody ordered comforters. Like we was getting a bunch of stuff. Long story short, they ain't had nothing. It's mind you, this is like a restaurant and bar, like a little chill lounge place. After 7, after 8, why y'all don't have nothing? What you mean? Like, why y'all even open if that's the case? Or why didn't the server, when the server comes to the table, say, okay, well, this is all the kitchen have left or whatever, you know what I mean? So we was there for another 30 minutes waiting or whatever. The second options was, then he comes back, oh, we don't have this, we don't have that, we don't have no conch, we don't have no this, we don't have no that. Like, sir.
Mind you, I'm currently eating conch.
Exactly.
3 hours later.
They was like, they ain't had no conch or whatever, so we decided everybody was just gonna get wings. Only my food reached. Oh, stupid hell. Only my food reached. Nobody else food reached yet. We done there for almost 2 hours at this point. My food cold and my food came.
Mine too.
Then like 20, maybe 30 minutes later, they bring out Lavna food. Lavna didn't. Oh, she didn't even get a drink yet, right? Just a freaking glass of Pinot Grigio. Just a glass of Pinot Grigio. First she ordered, she wanted sweet wine because the mom was trying to get her Pinot Grigio, and I was like, sir, Pinot Grigio is not sweet. This is dry. She wants something sweet. So he come back, oh, we ain't getting nothing sweet. What? Okay, fine. She'll take the Pinot Grigio. This girl must see her throat, must see was itching. She ain't get her drink till like 2.5 hours later. At this point, everybody have their wings. Monica still ain't get her conch fettuccine. Remember I said, he said they didn't have no conch. He said they had no conch fritters, but he was still making it seem like they had conch for the fettuccine. So we trying to figure out what's going on. Then he come back and freaking whispering Monica ass. When I look, all her eye roll into the back of her head. They ain't have no conch to put in the fettuccine if she won't cancel the order. We done been here for 3 hours at this point. Like, what the hell? So she's like, okay, fine, cancel the order. Then they come, they bring our bills. So he's like, you know what? We need to speak to the manager because this is a lot or whatever. So the end result, the manager brought us a free round of drinks, or which not. I've been saying they need to take 10% off.
They didn't take shit off.
Bills. I tell the server that, but when he came back with the receipt, ain't nothing was off. Ain't nothing was off of it or whatever. But we got a free round of drinks. We then Monica got conch fettuccine last minute. Okay, we get it.
Why the cops still beeping? Like, I cannot believe, like, I was telling people, like, oh, drug plantation. I would never fucking recommend them to nobody. No, that's some bullshit.
But the thing is, like I say, it's honestly so surprising because it's the first, second, third, fourth, or fifth time I've been there. I literally been there like 7 times. So, and every time I honestly have good service, I can't lie. Sometimes it take a little long, but not to that extent.
That is what I mean.
Okay guys, it's Chia Labad. Oh my god. So we just left Climax. I got like a few little clips and stuff for y'all, as much as I possibly could have. It's like 12:45ish and we're heading home because I have to be to the hospital for 7. And yeah, everybody else at work.
You look very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, look at Gordy.
Look at my fucking godson, mommy.
Look at Gordy dress up.
Say hi to the vlog.
Okay, vlog. Just Gordy dress up.
She just come in and like her fucking home. What is this? But yeah, so we going home. Today has been, I could say eventful. Climax.
And they're park all around.
And it ain't like park, but it died. It's okay. People like coming in now, so it's okay. Because I get work in the morning, man. I gotta go. So yeah, it's been. I honestly think the whole vibe was like killed from what the place name? Plantation. I feel like that killed the whole vibe or whatever. And I just, yeah, it wasn't terrible. I'm not like drunk. I could walk in a straight line, so that's good. Monica mad at us because she wanted us to drink more, but I can't be drinking if I gotta go get up early. Because one like me, I wouldn't fucking get up. So yeah, we're gonna go see what they saying. I hear Creole and Christian, so somebody mad. But yeah. Yeah, I tell you, it ain't too bad. Like, it's alright. Gee, don't get riled from your woman then. Even though your woman is riled, why you asking people questions? But see, cause she riled when I'm telling them come here, please. Cause he stopped me to talk down there, but he was only asking like how inside is and stuff. And yeah, y'all, like I said, we heading home. Monica was rilling us because we wasn't drinking enough. But she's done this. First of all, she gotta fucking go to work in the morning too.
You don't need to drink.
No, she's disgusting.
My thing is, don't make no fucking WhatsApp group of big plans only for the night for y'all to just stand up like statue. My thing is,
Oh my
right?
god,
I don't
what
know
you
come
talking
out.
about?
I don't know come
Oh my
out.
god, y'all
If we
listen
could
to
come
her.
out, make tonight worth it. You understand me?
What the fuck? That's what
I did not drink no 2 glasses of wine.
you don't need to drink that far. You don't need to get it. But it was. I know you don't need to drink that fun, but it wasn't fun.
Fuck y'all think I should go. It wasn't fun. My thing is, when y'all bringing up that group,
Y'all, next time we go, y'all know where we go, 98.
Monica don't like 98.
You don't like 90. I feel like that's what
I ain't gonna lie, 98 is be a vibe. 98 is be lit as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. 98 is be lit as fuck because everybody in there just be lit. Like I say, I would give it a 6, 7 out of 10. It wasn't like extremely.
You got a fucking lie.
It wasn't like extravagant. Like oh my god, I had so much fun. But
No, y'all know they trying to sugarcoat. You know that what that means. That it means that was fucking boring.
no, it wasn't boring. It's just the fact that nobody trying to drink that much because everybody have to work in the morning. So it's like responsibility is responsibility.
What's the done gone?
Y'all can't even see me. Y'all can't even see me. My hair. I was looking like curly soup when I leave home, and now I looking like I don't know a broken down Malibu Barbie.
She's a broken record. She was getting. We never said that.
I never said
You
that.
put the words in our
Wait. I said just now in the car. When you say in there, I never said what I know.
Okay, y'all. Remember I said we was going home. Look. Huh? Look.
Don't show them. I don't want them to see the side of me.
Remember I said we was going home. This fucking home. Alright. And we back home. Alright, good.
You guys shopping for Josiah, no?
This is gonna be long. Very long. I don't even know where this road is. It's like Paradise. It's a Haitian dance. They call it compa, but yeah. Wanna go tell me? I'm supposed to know Creole by now, so I can't complain. But I don't, so.
C'est sacré la transition.
Gee, why the quality look like that? Why the quality look like that? Oh, yeah.
Ça se la belle là.
1:30, and I think we're going home now. I hope I'm tired. I'm not really tired. I just need to be up early. Yeah. I guess it was a vibe. Oh, he's saying like, it was a vibe. It was okay. I probably ain't gonna come back on tonight. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys had a blast. I will enjoy it. But I look pretty. Okay, so as you guys can see, I was rudely interrupted, but I forgot I didn't show you guys my outfit. So the top is from my brand LB Couture, the jeans Fashion Nova, the bag and shoes, no, the shoes and accessories from Shein, the earrings and bag from my brand LB Couture. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies,